Hello, how is everyone? I wanted to go over the trade I am doing today. So, let's see. Sorry, this thing will pop up. Let me refresh it. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. Let me change the color so it's not so bright. Background. Mm, okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, well, that'll be clear. But, anyways, when I started paper trading, I was in gold when it was starting to rise, like pretty much down here. And I got this paper trading account to like 55 trillion because there is no stop loss or liquidation limit. It just goes negative when the market's not in your favor. So I zoomed out here. And the reason I zoom out here is because this is a bigger time frame. This is a day. So let's look. Let's see if I can show you my screen real quick. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I can adjust. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So now we are in my Liquid Brokers account. So right now it shows I'm down $9, but from what I put in, I only put in like $67. That's 0.03 lots. And because of what I just showed you, let's see, this itself looks like a complete trend line down. Here, let me do a couple things here. Let's see. Okay, shows like I'm live right now. Good. I'm going to share this. Newsfeed. Let's see. Okay. Shared it. So I'm sharing to my social medias currently. Let's see. Share. No. To my Twitter. Let's trade together. Boom. Now, one more thing. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Now I have my messages on through my phone screen. Okay, so the reason I took this trade is because I had a feeling that gold itself was going to drop. Now, the reason why I thought that this was going to drop is because, let's see, hide that. From this high point here, we have 45.89. Now on TradingView, I set a rectangle zone called a no buy zone. Now, this no buy zone is pretty much where you allow it to just consolidate, do its thing, do whatever the hell it wants. And during that time, especially, see how, like, hold on, let me switch it to, let me see if I can switch it to Trading View real quick. Yep. Okay. So back on Trading View. Let's go back to the, no, I don't want to join. Reload. Okay, so let me put it back on the 2-hour chart. So you saw my entry. It was right around, it's right around 44.85-ish. I set my take profit at 42.51. Yeah, 42.51. So let's see. So I'm going to add, no, it doesn't want me to do it. That's fine. I'm going to do trend line. So that'll make sense. So I had set this rectangular box in this area. I've got to find the tool for it. Unless I'm blind. Let's see. No, that's not what I want. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, come on, stupid. I don't know why I can't find the rectangle tool. Makes no dang sense. All right, I'm just going to draw it at this point. Yeah, I'll draw it with trend lines. Okay. So let me look on my phone itself so I can see where I put the rectangle. Okay, there we go. So 590. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Now we get another trend line. Now this pretty much marks out the box, the no buy zone that I was checking out. 45.10. That's it. That's 45.10. There we go. So this area was what I set for my rectangle zone. Now, if you see what I mean, I'm going to zoom in the chart here. This right here was a support zone. Now, because of that higher trend area where it's showing that it's going down, this broke through this support zone twice. And that's when I entered right around here. Yeah, right around, no, actually, shoot. Yeah, I entered right around here because that meant that there's going to be a free fall. And what I mean by that free fall is down here. Because if you zoom out and look at everything, it's just going down. And it's going down in levels. So if anything, we might go back to like 3,900 for gold, even possibly. But especially with these news articles that are possibly coming out with the FOMC, like I would expect another possible short before there was a retracement back to the initial beginning. So let's see, let's go back to the live feed. Cool. Still got someone watching. Let's see. All right, so let's go back to, because this is dropping more. Hold on, let me zoom in further. So yeah, the whole rectangle area, this is a no buy zone right here. No buy. So like if I had the funds before, I would have got, dang it, no, I don't want to jump into it. Okay. There we go. Oh, I didn't even lock the drawings. Nice. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to be locking all the drawings. Cool. So let me do that again. Darn it. That's fine. So 49, 45.90. Good enough. Now the other trend line for the no buy zone. All right. So yes, now they're all locked. Okay, this is the no buy zone. So any, like if it were to come, like if it were to instead have retraced and went up here, I would have gone long, because that long could have been all the way to right here, which is around 49.80. I would say would be the safe point for the TP there. But I put my take profit at 42.51. So let's go back to my liquid brokers. All right. So see, I'm only down 13 cents. This is my entrance, 44.82. Not that bad, especially with how it's acting right now. See, it's like I only use 67 as well of my 106 balance because I wanted margin room. Margin means you're safe. And the more you get margin you give yourself, the better for the trade. So my TP here, let's flatten it out. There we go. Here, let me adjust it again. Let me adjust it again. See my projected profit. And the thing is, I put my initial take profit at G1. So the projected profit would be $649. So basically, it's like a 1 to 10 setup. You just got to let the hours play out. Let's see. Yeah. So, and also about trading is just patience. Like you got to sit on your hands. You got to let your trade to work out. You got to be confident in your trade as well. Like, don't get me wrong. I was worried about like a possible retracement up here, but in general, it's like this is showing me that it's still safe. I'm still safe because I have extra margin. I have room for it to correct and continue back down. Like I would expect tomorrow as well to, because this trade I'm going to try to hold for at least 12 to 20 hours. And because you only get really one good trade a week when it comes to gold. One really good trade a week, pretty much, because it all depends on the market's volume and where it's going. If it's in those consolidation no buy zones or not. So something I would like to share as well is like what to kind of look for as well within the like candles and the wicks when it comes to like selling pressure or buyer pressure. So selling pressure, you do your shorts, buying pressure, you do your longs. And you see it's about to have a nice drop here. Let's see. So gold, like I would say, though gold is like if you're not patient enough, it will be difficult to trade. But if you are patient enough, it will, be like bread and butter. Um, and so I think from here on out, this is going to be how I trade. I'm only going to make one big trade a week or two, depending on how the market looks. 1 to 2 at most, because there's no reason if you're getting like a 1 to 10 setup to just keep like overdo it really. And that was my issue before. I was over trading, and also I was stacking equity. See, I have like free $26 I can put on again right now. I don't want to do it because I want to be secure. And you definitely need that security, like especially that confidence that you can make this work. Um, let's see. So I know that there is people out there that have like literally lost everything to trading because they decided that, hey, let me put my whole house on it or whatever. It's like they didn't really think about the repercussions there could be by doing it and not knowing what they're working with. That being said, it's like you trade, you like get yourself an account with like $20, trade the S&P, like that's like almost $4 right now, and do 0.01 lots so that you're extra secure and safe. I'm gonna be right back. Oh, all right, snacks. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna see if anyone's like messaged or anything. Nope. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is all about patience. It's gonna continue dropping from here as soon as I am able to confirm it, and it goes below this certain point here. I will just be chilling. Um, I do want to watch it for now, just to see how it plays out. Because you see, there can be like little bursts like that, and be like, "Oh no, what am I gonna do?" But that's what I meant about margining. See, I still got 130% of margin that is free of use. So we'll just see what happens here. Now, I want to see how far that I can grow this within, I would say, a few months, because I want to be able to make this my lifetime career, my financial security, financial freedom. Like, it's all possible. I just need to keep on believing in myself. And I don't have it in me to give up at all, unfortunately. Because it's like I just see the future like in my favor, and how can I deny that possibility? How can I deny that it isn't possible? I am young. I have a lot that I can create for myself. I can create businesses and whatnot. I have time. But it's like, what if I were to use this as a base for my business? Like eventually, it's like I'll be able to invest like a few $100,000 at that time and see what I can create, possibly even sell that business because, yeah, possibly even create that business because you can sell businesses after creating them. So it's like putting a few thousand down for a few million to be returned actually sounds good. um, but in a way, it's also about perspective. It's like there's so many people that think that they can't get out of their mess or whatever they're dealing with, and it's absolutely not true. Everyone is capable of doing anything they want as long as they are putting themselves to do it in the first place. And just sometimes you got to roll with the punches. You can't give up on yourself like at all. So this is a resistance area as well. So let's see. Like I expected it to like go up to maybe even back up to 4,500, but that would be its correction within that rectangle area. It could go up to that point before it goes back down, but we have a lot of heavy selling pressure, which means that it most definitely will go back down. In a way, I could have definitely done like a scalp or something with this, but nah. Hit strong resistance here. Come on. Come back down to earth. There we go. Bingo. Yeah, as soon as we got that, like we pretty much collected all the main buyers that were in this area. And now we piled on top more sellers. So we're about to liquidate a bunch of buyers pretty soon here. Watch this. See, it's like this is all like fair value. This whole was all these three different fair value gaps, and this thing just ripped down from it. So let's see it come back down to this level and then break back down. Especially like how I can also tell about the pressure is because this candle wick closed in the middle of the second one that was going up. And this one is like trying absolutely to go back up, but you have too much seller pressure. So now this is going to be going back down to here at least pretty shortly. Hopefully tomorrow it is that low so that like it's close to my TP, so I can show y'all that I didn't add to it or anything. All I did was enter and be patient. And I gave myself accessibility when it came to the balance so that I didn't put too much down. I have a very safe, secure net. I pretty much put almost like just a little over half pretty much of what I had for the balance, which is good. So let's see. Sorry. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Also, the second candle closed into this one. Definitely. Because what also, like, sure, you can get wicks that show the pressure of where it's going, but what you really need is the closing candles. See how it's like attempting, but absolutely failing. Like, if anything, I see it coming back up to here again and then wicking right back down. Yeah, 35 seconds on this. I'm watching from the 2-minute time frame. Or no, yeah, 1 minute time frame. So let me show you the 15-minute. So all this closed right under here. Also it broke through here. So see how far it goes, but the next resistance point would be around 4,500 before it definitely knocks back down. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Come on, sellers. Knock them out. Knock them out. Heavy resistance area. Let's see if they. Come on. There was a major fall short this morning, so it kind of makes sense on why after market hours it would correct a little bit. That's just how it works. It's like, see what I mean? So it's like we scooped up whatever liquidity we could from this entire area right here. And now all of that liquidity sweeping was for the sellers. So now the sellers have a bunch of pressure that once everything is liquidated on the longs side, it can go now further below this area. So you just got to be patient. Also, I kind of every now and then I'll fidget with the chart just to like try to get a different view on it. I know it all looks kind of goofy, but there is a point to it. Scoop. Scoop. Come on. Now, technically, I should have set a specific stop loss in already so that I could wait for it to go back down, but live and learn. Come on. It's right at that point. Focus, sellers. You need to focus. Come on, motherfucker. May it be a gigantic liquidity sweep. Because I've seen gold act pretty crazy and then absolutely sniper shot down. Come on. You know, anyway, this is also humbling because it's always going to be humbling because it's like the market will never exactly work the way you want it. It'll manipulate, sure, and be messed with, but like I said, patience will get you the best. So if I learn this lesson from right here, which I'm still technically good, then I've learned my lesson. But I'm gonna stay in because I'm not about to get out right now and then have it. If I get like liquid, like if I nearly get liquidated, I do it. Then that's my fault. I'm still good. And here we go. Let this be. Let this be it. There we go. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Going back down. Good. Now, once it goes back down through here and breaks through, we're gold. We're golden. Let's see. For a 1 to 10 setup, I do like this risk. I got in at a pretty decent time, so I wouldn't get, technically, I wouldn't get liquidated. But came out, come back down. Let's see if we can. The black anchor. Trying to weigh down with the anchor. Of course, it won't do anything to the actual market. See, and also here's when I talk about like wicks when it comes to the candle part. Hold on, sorry, I gotta delete this. Like this proves right here how much selling pressure there is. Like, sure, this can kind of come up, scoop up again, but let's see. Come on. We had a doji candle here that shows indecisiveness in the market, like which way do we want price to go. But then there was that other candle confirming, hey, we want price to go down actually. So let's see how far. Ooh, okay, here we go. There we go. Cool. Let's see here. There we go. So now it's entering this area, which is all that money stack from the big banks. So yeah, that whole thing right there was what you call a fake out as well. Like it's meant to fake you out so that you get scared, get out, and the sellers are able to collect it at that point because all of that pressure, they're going to start selling even harder, like with more money, and it's just going to go. Let's see. Come on. One minute till close. 1 minute 30 till close. Keep on going. Let's see. Come on. You're done all your sweeping. And I'm mopping buyers out. 33 seconds till close. So we'll see where this closes. There we go. Come on. Yes, there we go. It closes right there. Good. Good sign. I think it's going to form another little wick up here. But then, let's see how this acts. Come on. See, with these three candles themselves show that there's like a big resistance right here. Oh, those order blocks are nearly the same. There we go. Come on. Yes. There we go. Okay. Come on. Quit toying. Short like a mofo. Still at 111 for margin percentage, which is still good. And it didn't go anywhere. Like it kind of got close, but it didn't go near the 4,500, which is also a good sign. This order block closed under here as well. In fact, I'm going to call my friend Isaac to see if he's still in.
Yo.
Oi, mate, you still in?
Yeah, still in.
Good. because like I'm streaming right now, and I was just like going over stuff like, yeah, this could have been a major fake out when it was rising, and yeah, I confirmed that it was a fake out so far, just by the structure as well, how the order.
Right now, I just jumped into a 5-ish coin. I do want to check it out.
Okay.
Are you still with your cousin right now, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm with my cousin right now.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll probably just watch your stream then. I don't know, but I'm gonna check my wallet to look at what I got in.
Okay. I'll check.
I got in at 96K. I don't know if it's gonna be. I might just get in and out. It might be a quick scalp. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but I don't think it's gonna go really high. But I might close out like around 30K. I don't know.
Okay. Hold on. Let me put on my headphones real quick. Okay. Okay. Cool. Bye. You see, that's also a part of why I want to trade with more people. Like, he's someone I've known for years now, and he is like one of the friends I have that genuinely want to do this and like want to become very profitable. And like I've shown them stuff that I've had, like I could have sold it out of my position and made good profit before, but I wasn't real smart with it. So instead of getting out, I was actually messing that opportunity up, if that makes sense. So let me see. Track. Hold on, sorry. All right, so we're good still so far. It's dropping back down, which is great. Okay. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Oh yeah, Isaac, I got into the 5-ish. If you're watching right now, I got into 5-ish, and you'll be able to see what I did. Let's see. Let's go back to my live. There we go. All right, so you're playing a game, huh? Playing a little game here. All right, so this might also be another liquidity grab. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. So checking in here. So yeah, after I get off the stream, like I'm just gonna let it ride out. Like I can probably do a tomorrow checkup just to show y'all what's up. Still have 2 minutes. Like I like a good thing as well. I consider necessity when it comes to the trading part. Putting the countdown bar to close is also very important. So you'll be able to pay attention more to your order blocks and everything. Um, yep. Let's see. All right. There we go. Getting back that seller pressure. Also, another thing I pay attention to, I look out for W shapes. So let's make it. You see what I'm saying? There, let me get another arrow. Get another arrow. You know what? Let me change up the color just in case not a lot can see that color. Oh yeah, see, getting that good cell pressure still. Nah, that's not viewable. No, not even that. Jesus. No. There we go. That'll work. Let's change it to the white opacity, the white color, so y'all can see it. Oh yeah, Isaac, I'm still watching it on my phone here. Let's see. Oh fuck yes. We're about to see probably a good drop here for gold, and I'm excited. Let's just go down here. Because now it's got to break past this now support area. And before, once it breaks through support, we're going to see a drop. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go, gold. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Now we just need to break through here, and it's absolute free fall. We are in the favor of the shorting. Oh my goodness, Isaac, you made an amazing call. Thank you, brother. And now, oh yeah, let's see. So looking at these arrows, so yeah, that would go down there. Boom. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to go back to this. But yeah, that's pretty much what I was looking at, because like this dip down to here with a spike, that only means that, oh my goodness, I love it. There we go. And free fall. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I will be getting off of stream in around 15 minutes. And, you know, I hope within that 15 minutes I can go back to, you know, at least break even. Looks like it should, but yeah, I will stream tomorrow as well for a little bit, like an hour, just to show like the results and whatnot. So just see what happens in the next 15 minutes here. Great call, Isaac, by the way. Great fucking call on the 5-ish. Come on, you can go back down. Oh, nice. Very nice. This is also the part about sitting on your hands. Just let it do its job. Let the market do the work for you. And then it closed down there. Focus. All right. Let's see what happens here. Man, this is good. We're going to see how much in profit we're going to be, especially if it breaks through this little area here. Yeah, it breaks through that price line. Pew! Sniper shot down. I'm so glad I was patient. Because the market is going to do what I bid. I just had to wait for it. Let's see.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yes, I'm sorry. I figured you called me that you
Let's see.
So I was looking at Boyer outside.
Yes, there we go. Keep going, gold. Come on. Oh, hello, gold. Okay. Oh, hell yeah, gold. Okay. So within 5 minutes, we are now back into profit. We are 572.
Oh, I actually don't know. That's unfair.
Okay. There we go. Gold. Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye.
There we go. All right. Oh, okay, come on. You're pretty much tickling the profit zone. There we go. Oh, shit. Gold decided wanted to play a little bit of games. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens here. Gotta let it do its thing. So it's still at 129 margin level, came down here, broke through this area a little. All right. Got about 8 more minutes until I'm off stream. And I'll let you know, like, you'll see the balance if, like, this goes flop by the time you see it. Like, watch this again. I am watching it on my phone. All right. Let's see. Let's see. You need to see when the order block is. So you got 2 minutes left on this. order block. Well, at least gold is staying below this other order block here. Just waiting for it to do its thing at this point. That's what it comes down to, psychology within the trading. It's like you can have your emotions all over the place, but it's like you need to be okay with your decision. Like once you make a decision, you got to be that person to be like, I'm not going to change it when it comes to trading. Like I just make it, I will learn from this instead of, I will learn from this, and why give myself crazy dopamine rushes when it is in profit? And that just means I executed the trade properly, and that I should keep on working on that kind of style, whether it's shorting or going long. I look forward to a lot, and this is just going to be my only trade of the week. Hopefully, it hits the take profit. I will be keeping an eye on it to be sure of things. I got around a few more minutes left. I would say 4 left. There we go. You see, it kind of still closed below this specific candle here, tiny bit above there. Candle, this is pretty much a giant doji right here. So come on, sniper shot, get it on cam, live cam, make it happen. Let's see. All right, Serena Wick. Round. Come on. It's like trying so hard to fake people out of this. Just this own little area. It was like technically, I kind of should have waited until like I saw it, allowed it to correct, and then get in here, but I'm still good. But yeah. There we go. Come on. So, yeah. Yes. Yes. There we go. All right, 1 more minute. But if you're ever watch this and you see at this price point clearly right here 44.86, and afterwards you check out gold possibly on TradingView and you see where the price point is, if it doesn't break through here, it just goes down, you'll know I'm in profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, spend some time with family. I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a good night. Let's see. How do I end this?